For today's lesson, we will apply the Pythagorean Theorem in solving real-world problems. Now let's take a look at our first real-world problem applying the Pythagorean Theorem. A carpenter wants to build a handicap ramp over a set of steps that is 12 feet long and 5 feet high. How long will the ramp be? Of course, we need to sketch our figure that will represent our problem. The length is 12 feet long, so we need to draw a horizontal line. And our height is 5 feet, so we need to draw a vertical line. And if you will notice, we will be forming a right triangle. The ramp length would be the hypotenuse of our right triangle. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we will have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. And simplifying the two, we will have 25 plus 144 equals c squared, and adding we'll get 169 equals c squared. Taking the square root of both sides, our ramp length would be 13 feet long. Now let's try our problem number 2. John Road and Joseph Road make a perpendicular intersection. The state wants to build a new road. The new road will intersect 3 miles north of the intersection on John Road and 4 miles west of the intersection on Joseph Road. How long will the new road be that intersects John and Joseph Road? The new road would cost $10 per foot to pave. What will be the cost of the new road? Let's solve this on the next slide. Now let's sketch the figure that will represent our problem. It says that John and Joseph Road makes a perpendicular intersection, and the new road to be built is located or intersects the two roads at 3 miles north of John and 4 miles west of Joseph. So forming a right triangle, the hypotenuse will represent the new road. So solving for our hypotenuse, we will have 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. Simplifying, you will have 16 plus 9 equals c squared. Adding up, we'll get 25 equals c squared. Taking the square root of both sides, our new road will be 5 miles long. To calculate for the total cost, we have to convert first our distance into feet, since our given cost is $10 per foot. So we have 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Converting our 5 miles would be 26,400 feet. So the total cost would be $10 times 26,400, or a total of $264,000. Now it's your turn. You will need your XR Math app in your iPads to complete the activity sheet attached below. Good luck!